Welcome to Xiaochuan English Live. This is the second episode of Malaga in Spain. In last video, I have already shown you the central city of Malaga, and let's see what's happening in this video. Here is a wonderful square. It's very sunny and people can stay here and watch and relax. And there is a fountain in here. It should be very nice at night. Just finished my lunch. I chose a very nice Spanish food, paella, which is seafood with rice. Wow, the whole street suddenly become very quiet at the moment. It's nearly 3 o'clock, and as I know, Spanish people prefer to have a nap in around 3 o'clock. So that's the reason why it's empty. As I mentioned, there is a lot of plaza for us to relax in this area. So here is another plaza. In the middle of this plaza, there is a monument. So actually, I want to find out where is the Picasso statue, but it seems that it's not really inside this garden. So what I'm trying to do is find out a really nice place to sit and check where is the statue, and I hope I can show you later. Like a Picasso, right? Is it called Picasso? Picasso. Picasso.
No.
Picasso.
No Picasso.
No? So actually, Malaga, this place, is the birthplace of Picasso, but that's the reason why there is a statue of Picasso sitting on the bench. As you look, there is a really big garden or castle just behind me, because the building in Malaga is not quite tall, so I assume that we can watch the sunset in the top of this garden. It seems that there are a lot of festivals or events in Malaga, so I assume that here is a quite international city. Wow, I just checked, this ruin is Roman theater. It was dated back to 1st century BC. I'm so surprised because here theater is free to entrance. Nothing to see. Okay, let's move on our next attraction.